Come test drive the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.